video, I'm going to just introduce linking, internal and external linking. So let's just change the name of this tab to just linking, because we'll look at both internal and external linking. So let's have a look at what I want to link. So we have this site, and there's a number of posts on farmers markets. So I've done a number of posts on different farmers markets. There is this initial post about farmers markets in the Ottawa area, and then there's subsequent posts on specific farmers markets. So after a visit to, say, the Canada farmers market, and then there's a farmers market in Metcalfe, and then one in Almont. So the first post was a general post about farmers markets in the region, and then subsequent posts were about specific farmers markets. So there's a fair number. We have a few more, 6 more here. So the idea is to try and link all these posts together. So how I've done this is, if we go back to our spreadsheet, the first column is insert the link on the particular web page. So this first column is a web page that the link is going to be on. And then the second column is the anchor text, or the words that the hyperlink will be on to the page it will link to, and that's the third column. This fourth column I've just included as a type of link, so whether it's external or internal. So an external link is a link that takes you away from the website or the domain that you're on. An internal link is a link on a web page that keeps you within the website that you're on or within that domain. So we have some internal links, so let's have a look at those. So our domain is mypersonality.com, and our page is Almont Farmers Market, and the anchor text is Farmers Markets in the Ottawa Valley. And when you click on this text, it links to this page here. Again, it's mypersonality.com/Farmers Markets Ottawa. So we're staying within the same domain, so it's an internal link. All right, so now let's look at an external link. So for example, this one right here, number 44. So again, we're starting on the domain that we're interested in, mypersonality.com, and the page is Westboro Farmers Market. The anchor text is art is in, and when we click on that, it links to this site and this page right here, artisanbakery.com. So since it links away from the domain that we're in, mypersonality.com, this is called an external link. All right. So if you notice, some of the anchor text, it's in red text and it says naked link. So what's that? So a naked link is actually just the URL, is just the page that it links to. So for example, let's look at this this one right here in the row 43. So the page, is mypersonality.com, Westboro Farmers Market. The anchor text, it says naked link. So what that means, the anchor text is actually the page that it links to. So this is the anchor text. The anchor text is the actual page it links to, which in this case is ottawafarmersmarket.ca /Westboro Market. So it's an external link, and the actual anchor text is the page URL that we're linking to itself. And we call anchor text, when it's the actual URL of the page that we're linking to, we call that a naked link. So in the notes, we have some of this information here. So I put this in here. I've put a little definition of what anchor text is, also called link text, the visible clickable text of a link. It usually appears in a different color than the surrounding text and is often underlined. Underlined link text. Sorry, I'm not sure what's. It's also underlined. it tells the reader what to expect if they click on the link. So we want that anchor text to be representative of the page that the reader will end up on. So a naked link, a hyperlink that uses the URL itself as the anchor text. So what I've done on this page for linking, I've done all the linking that I want for those particular pages, or for this site, or in this case those few pages related to farmers markets. So let's see. So I have the page. So in this case, the page is Almont Farmers Market on the mypersonality.com website. The anchor text, and then the page will link to, and then I've just put the type of link. So in this case, this page has a link on it, a naked link that will link externally to this website, almontfarmersmarket.com. It also has a link with anchor text, Farmers Market in Ottawa, in the Ottawa Valley, that links to this page within the domain. So it links to mypersonality.com/farmersmarket-Ottawa. And since it's within the same domain, it's an internal link. So I've done this for every page that I want a link from. And this is what internal external linking is.